Very good morning, dear students. How are you all? I believe that you all are doing good, right? And I hope that you all have been started your studies seriously. Am I right? Very good. So, the last class we have completed our lesson number 1, the invention of shoes explanation. Is that right? How many of you have read the story completely? Okay, I hope many of you have read it and I hope you all understood the story. So, today we are going to discuss the question answer part of the chapter 1. Okay, what we are going to discuss? The question answer part of chapter 1. Now, this question answer part we can divide it as two parts. Okay, session A and session B. Okay, now in the session A there are 3 questions and the session B also there are 3 questions. So now ma'am is going to tell you, listen very carefully. In this class you just understand it. मैम जैसे जैसे आपको बोर्ड में से आंसर समझा रही हूँ आप उन्हें अच्छे से समझे. You have to understand it very thoroughly. But I'll be sending these question and answer as PDF in your WhatsApp group, and you just copy down somewhere on your fair notebook, and you have to send it back in the WhatsApp group as the homework. Is that right? Okay. And many of you have attended the online classes, but very few students have sent me the homework. So I insist you that send your homework on the same day, then only you will get your attendance. Is that right? Okay. Now let's start with the question answer section. Okay. Look at your book, everyone. Ma'am will be reading the questions from the book and the answer is given on the board. So we will start with the section A. Question number 1. What was King Hobu worried about? किंग होबू किस बात के लिए चिंता करते थे या दुखी थे? Is that right? Did you understand the question? Okay, now look at the board for the answer. King Hobu was worried about his feet getting dirty whenever he steps on the ground. Okay, once again everyone look at the answer. King Hobu was worried about his feet getting dirty whenever he steps on the ground. Why he was worried and for what he was worried? He was worried because whenever he stepped on the ground, his feet were getting dirty by the dust. Did you all understand the first answer? Right. If you have any doubt and any word meaning, if you are finding out as difficulty, please you may ask in the English subject query group. Ma'am will sort out the solution for you. Is that right? Okay. Come to the second question. Look at the book, everyone. Question number 2. The people in the kingdom came up with many solutions for the king's problem. Okay, so king had a problem and the people in the kingdom, राज्य के जितने भी लोग थे, they brought so many solutions. Okay, वो सब लोग अलग अलग solutions को लेकर आए थे, अलग अलग हल को लेकर आए थे. Now the second, look at that. Place these solutions in the correct order. You can see that the downside of that question given 4 sentences. So what you have to do first, you have to arrange it order-wise correctly. ठीक है, आपको इन्हें अरेंज करने हैं करेक्ट ऑर्डर वाइज में. देन पिक द सॉल्यूशन दैट वर्क एंड क्रॉस आउट द सॉल्यूशन दैट डिड नॉट वर्क. आपको पहले इसको अरेंज करना है, उसके बाद पिक करना है. यू हैव टू टिक द सॉल्यूशन विच इज करेक्ट, विच वाज वर्कड आउट. जो सॉल्यूशन काम किया उस पर टिक लगाना है एंड द सॉल्यूशन विच डिड नॉट वर्क यू हैव टू क्रॉस आउट. आपको जो सॉल्यूशन काम नहीं किया उस पर क्रॉस लगाने हैं. गिव रीजन फॉर बोथ. और जो सॉल्यूशन वर्क किया और जो सॉल्यूशन नहीं वर्क किया उन दोनों का रीजन भी आपको बताना है. सो दिस इज ए लेंथी क्वेश्चन बट व्हेन यू आर अंडरस्टैंडिंग इट विल बी इजी फॉर यू. इज दैट क्लियर एवरीवन? ये थोड़ा लेंथी है बट इफ यू आर अंडरस्टैंडिंग एंड डूइंग द थिंग्स देन इट विल बी वेरी इजी फॉर यू. सो नाउ लेट्स डू द आंसर पार्ट. ओके, सो नाउ लुक एट देयर. आई विल रीड फॉर यू. A. They tried to wash off all the dust with water. उन्होंने पूरे dust को पानी से wash करने का कोशिश की. B. The tanner suggested that the king could cover his feet with leather. Tanner ने suggest किया king अपने पैरों को leather से cover करे. Now the C. They tried to sweep all the dust from the kingdom with brooms. पूरे dust को broom से साफ किया जाए पूरे राज्य से. They wanted the king to stay at home. Now the fourth is, somebody suggested that they wanted to stay the king at home. Raja indoors ही रहे. Now the first section of this question is you have to arrange it properly. Okay, so look at that. You try to do by yourself, but ma'am already had done the answer for you, so I will just helping you. First is C. C means they tried to sweep all the dust from the kingdom with brooms. Okay, सबसे पहले उन्होंने ब्रूम से पूरे किंगडम को साफ किया. एंड द सेकंड ऑर्डर इज कम टू अ मीन्स दे ट्राइड टू वॉश ऑफ ऑल द डस्ट विथ वाटर. उन्होंने क्या किया, पूरे डस्ट को हटाने के लिए पानी से भर दिया उसे कीचड़ में. दे रिप्लेस विथ दैट मड. नाउ कम टू द थर्ड. ओके, थर्ड इज हियर D. D is the third one and it says that they wanted the king to stay at home. Now somebody else suggested that the king has to stay inside the palace. Okay, now fourth one, the final answer is D. Look at that. The tanner suggested that the king could cover his feet with leather. Tanner ने suggest किया king अपने पैर को leather से cover करे. Now you no need to get confused. आपको confused नहीं होना है किस ऑर्डर में क्या करना है. मैम will send you as PDF in your WhatsApp group. मैम आपको सेंड करूंगी, आपको जैसे मैम सेंड करूँ वैसे अपने नोटबुक में कॉपी करना. नाउ यू जस्ट अंडरस्टैंड इट. अभी आपको सिर्फ उसको समझना ही है. ओके, नाउ सेकंड पार्ट, यू हैव टू टिक द सॉल्यूशन दैट वर्क एंड क्रॉस आउट द सॉल्यूशन दैट डिड नॉट वर्क. फर्स्ट वन सी, दैट वर्क. दे ट्राई टू स्वीप अप ऑल ऑफ द डस्ट फ्रॉम द किंगडम विद ब्रूम. इज दैट वर्क? Yes or no? It did not work, isn't it? So we put cross. Now the A. What was A? They tried to wash off all the dust with water. Did it work? No. So we put that cross. Now next is D. They wanted the king to stay at home. उन्हें लगता था राजा को घर में ही रहना चाहिए. Is that right? And whether it is worked or not? No, it did not work. So we had done here cross out. Now come to the last one, B. The tanner suggested that the king could cover his feet with leather. Which idea worked very perfectly and effectively? Yes, the B idea had worked very perfectly and effectively. So we did that. We just ticked that. Is that correct? Did you all understand? Okay. Now one more portion is there. उसी क्वेश्चन में 3 भाग है, उसका लास्ट भाग में हम पहुंचे हैं. वी हैव रीच्ड द लास्ट पार्ट. गिव रीजन फॉर बोथ. इन सब आंसर्स का रीजन भी आपको बताना है. लुक एट हियर. सी, व्हाट इज द रीजन? बिकॉज द स्वीपिंग कवर्ड द एंटायर किंगडम विद डस्ट. क्योंकि पूरे अर्थ को स्वीपिंग करने से डस्ट से भर गया, सो इट डिड नॉट वर्क. कम टू द नेक्स्ट A. व्हाट इज द रीजन फॉर दैट? बिकॉज द वाटर गॉट मिक्स्ड विद द डस्ट एंड रिप्लेस्ड इट एज मड. जो पानी उन्होंने डस्ट को निकालने के लिए किया था वो किसने रिप्लेस हो गया? इट रिप्लेस्ड दैट मड. ओके, कम टू द थर्ड D. D also did not work. Why? You know, because the king did not accept this idea. राजा ने उस आइडिया को एक्सेप्ट ही नहीं किया था. नाउ कम टू द लास्ट वन B. Because the shoes protected the king's feet from dust. यहाँ पर राजा के पैर को जो शूज ने बहुत अच्छे से प्रोटेक्ट किया. सो दिस वॉज द आइडिया, दिस वॉज द बेस्ट आइडिया विच वर्कड आउट फॉर द किंग्स प्रॉब्लम. डिड यू अंडरस्टैंड द सेकंड क्वेश्चन? नाउ लिसन केयरफुली. इफ यू हैव एनी डाउट इन दिस, प्लीज आस्क एनी क्वेरीज. इफ यू हैव, you may ask in the WhatsApp group. Okay, now comes the question number 3. What is the difference between the solution given by the tanner and the others in the king's court? And one more part is with that. Can we learn anything from it? Okay, let's see the answer. The tanner offered a simple solution that could be easily worked out in an effective way. What kind of solution tanner gave? he gave a simple solution which could be worked out in an effective way. Okay, but the others in the kingdom offered suggestion without thinking. लेकिन जितने भी और लोग थे पैलेस में, उन्होंने बिना सोच समझ के सजेशंस को दिया और उसके द्वारा लोग भी परेशान हो गए थे. Now one more part is there. Can we learn anything from it? Yes, we can learn that if there is a problem, we must be calm and think of a smart solution. हमें एक सबक मिलता है, एक सीख मिलता है. We get the solution if there is a problem. यदि कोई प्रॉब्लम है, परेशानी है, so what you have to do? You have to think of a smart solution. आपको एक इंटेलिजेंटली, आपको बहुत वाइज तरीके से स्मार्ट सोल्यूशन को सर्च आउट करना है. Is that clear everyone? Right? Shall we go to the next session? Okay. Now session B. Section B. In this part also 3 questions are there. Okay. Question number 1 I will be reading for you. Look at your book everyone. You were supposed to get rid of the dust, not fill the world with it. The king is telling that you're supposed to get rid of the dust, but not to fill the dust with the complete earth. Okay. Now the question is, did the entire world really get filled with the dust? इसमें भी 2 भाग है आपके क्वेश्चन में. Look at that. क्या पूरा अर्थ, कंप्लीट अर्थ, एंटायर अर्थ मीन्स कंप्लीट अर्थ डस्ट से भरा था? I don't think so. The kingdom was filled with the dust. Let's see the answer. Okay. Why does the king say so? राजा इस प्रकार से क्यों कहते हैं? Okay, look at this. The entire world didn't get filled with the dust. पूरा दुनिया, okay, the complete world didn't get filled with the dust. पूरे दुनिया या the entire world didn't get filled with dust. पूरे दुनिया इस dust से भरा नहीं था. But the king says that to show the amount of dust all the sweeping had brought about. लेकिन राजा इस तरीके से उन्हें बताना चाहता है 17,50,000 ब्रूम से when they had been brooming, how much it affected the country. Okay, but the king says that to show the amount of dust, कितना अमाउंट डस्ट जो स्वीपिंग करने के द्वारा लेकर आया गया उसे दिखाने के लिए राजा इस सेंटेंस को कहते हैं. कम टू द सेकंड. They made a purchase of 17,50,000 brooms, 21 lakh water carriers set out with bags of water. Now the question is, this question also has 2 parts. Why do you think the author gives us these numbers? Author इस numbers को हमें क्यों दे रहा है? The author gives us these numbers to show the large amount of money and work involved. वो जो काम किए थे उसमें कितना ज्यादा मनी और कितना ज्यादा वर्क इन्वॉल्व थे उसे दिखाने के लिए कर रहे थे. सेकंड पार्ट ऑफ द क्वेश्चन, व्हाट पिक्चर डज इट क्रिएट इन योर माइंड? इससे द्वारा आपके माइंड में क्या पिक्चर आते हैं, क्या फीलिंग आते हैं? इट गिव्स अस a feeling of a very huge activity involving hundreds of people. ये हमें ये दिखाते हैं in that particular work hundreds of people were involving. Did you understand? Yes. Shall we go to the last question? Right. The royal seat was saved, so was Gopu, and so was the earth. So now the question is, how was the earth saved? Question क्या है? Earth किस प्रकार से save किया गया? Look at the answer. The earth was saved by the Tanner's clever idea of inventing the shoes. Earth कैसे save किया गया? Tanner's का clever idea जिसके द्वारा shoes का invention किया गया था. So the earth was saved, Gopurai's life was saved, and also the royal feet were saved. Is that clear everyone? Now listen carefully. These questions I'll be sending as PDF in your WhatsApp group, and you must complete your work today itself and send it back on the group. If you are not sending, I'll not be giving you the attendance, and these chapters and these question answers will not be repeated again in the classes when school will be reopening. Okay, so you have to learn, and if you have any doubt, ask today itself. And one more information for you, please start studying these question answers and the word meaning. These will be compulsory coming for your exam. Okay, so start doing your studies seriously. Take care children. Stay home, stay safe.